Welcome. In this video I will show you how to rotate screen on LG Gram. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In Settings you have to select System on the sidebar and then scroll down to Display. Then select expand the list next to display orientation and select the orientation that you need. For example, you can choose portrait, the landscape flipped, or the portrait flipped. Once you select a different orientation, you're gonna have 15 seconds to either keep changes or revert them. If you don't do anything within these 15 seconds, the changes will be automatically reverted. So let's keep them. And now if you want to rotate your screen back, you have to expand this list, then click landscape, and then keep changes. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.